My friend told me that the first domestically produced aircraft in the People's Republic of China was made right here in Nanjing.
Hey, I'm Crystal. Today we are going to see some planes. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to our low altitude economy exhibition center. We have various of innovative aircraft here. Can you recognize any of them?
Whoa, actually I know nothing about it, but I can't wait to learn more.
Same here.
It's okay, let me introduce you our product. First, here we have our vertical takeoff and landing drones. And you can see it's fixed wings.
In which kind of situation do we use this plane?
We use it for conservation drones inspection, and it's perfect for long endurance and range inspections.
Oh.
Okay, this way is our formation flight.
What is that yellow thing over here?
It's called firework.
A firework?
Yes.
In which event do you use those kind of drones?
We use it for firework show. This year we use it for Spring Festival firework show.
Spring Festival firework.
2,600 drones to form 7 different patterns.
Oh, amazing!
Yes. We used to break the Guinness World Record for the largest number of drones flying in formation simultaneously and showcased breathtaking drone performance at major events such as the Spring Festival Gala.
Oh, Spring Festival!
欢迎来到空中未来低空产业创新生产基地，这里呢是我们所有无人机生产下线的地方。那这一台呢就是我们刚刚说的，我们自主研发生产的用于森林消防灭火的一款无人机。
灭火的？
是的，它下面可以挂载2枚20升的水基灭火弹，它的最大的续航时间可以去到90分钟。要不要操作一下试飞一下？ 未来呢，我们会利用它的吊舱和 AI 的功能，搭建一张 AI 的无人机消防网络。操作这个无人机的感觉如何？
很好，以前都是看别人玩，今天终于是自己玩了。
那好，那我们后面还有一架载人的飞机，咱们去体验一下。
看你们都已经换上了机长服啊，我看还是比较合身的哈。特别帅。对，特别帅啊，非常有一个这个飞行员的样子。
可不是吗？
那么欢迎你们来到共青城南湖通用机场。那么这个机场呢是鄱阳湖地区首个 A1 类通用机场。那么我们在这里做飞行执照培训飞行体验。 还有这个航空护林，还有这个青少年的教育研学。
2024 has been hailed as the year of low altitude economy, with low altitude economy for the first time being included in the government work report. As one of the first provinces in China to pilot the reform of low altitude airspace management, Jiangxi has actively promoted the development of the low altitude economy. By the third quarter of 2024, the total revenue of Jiangxi's aviation industry has reached 125.32 billion yen, representing a year-on-year increase of 5.7%. The robust development of a low-altitude economy in Jiangxi has not only driven local economic growth, but also created new opportunities for global economic cooperation.